Innovative Kids channel.
What time do you wake up, sweetie?
I wake up at 7 a.m., Mom.
What do you do first after waking up?
I brush my teeth.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my school uniform.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
What time does school start?
School starts at 8:30 a.m.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Smith.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
What do you do during recess?
I play with my friends on the playground.
What do you have for lunch at school?
I have a sandwich, an apple, and juice.
What time does school end?
School ends at 3 p.m.
How do you get home from school?
I walk home with you, Mom.
Do you have any after-school activities?
Yes, I have soccer practice.
What time do you do your homework?
I do my homework at 4 p.m.
How long does it take to finish your homework?
It takes about an hour.
What do you do after finishing your homework?
I play video games.
What time do we have dinner?
We have dinner at 6 p.m.
What do we usually have for dinner?
We usually have pasta or chicken.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV for an hour.
Do you read books before bed?
Yes, I read a book before bed.
What is your favorite bedtime story?
My favorite bedtime story is Goodnight Moon.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8 p.m.
Do you have a nightlight in your room?
Yes, I have a nightlight.
Do you sleep with any toys?
Yes, I sleep with my teddy bear.
What is your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like to go to the park.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
Do you help take care of Max?
Yes, I feed him and take him for walks.
What is your favorite game to play?
My favorite game is hide and seek.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, we visit them every Sunday.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you help your sister with her homework?
Yes, I help her with her math homework.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw animals.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color is pink.
Do you go to bed early on school nights?
Yes, I go to bed at 8 p.m. on school nights.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I love painting.
What do you do on rainy days?
I like to read books and play board games.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Alex.
What do you and Alex like to do together?
We like to play soccer together.
Do you write in a journal?
Yes, I write in my journal every night.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride my bike every afternoon.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer and basketball.
Do you like to go swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the pool.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a lion.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I go to the library once a week.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy doing puzzles. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.